Alright guys, we're gonna do a review on the rk62 mechanical keyboard. Well, it's pretty nice. You can change them, change the color. So yeah. If this video gets 5 likes, I'll go into Fortnite and I'll show you my editing speed, show you my binds, so catch you later.